Hi, it's me, Lou. I'm so excited to share what our family room, TV room looks like this year. This year, we created an entry into the family room using the large decorations that we got from Home Depot. The Nutcracker was from Sam, but everything else you see there are from Home Depot and new this year. We decided to use all of our large decorations indoor this year for two reasons. One, we noticed that it was not looking as bright due to the sun. It started to fade, and this nutcracker right here, I had to spray paint him all black because it was faded from the sun. I kind of like it. I think it looks cute. We decided to just create a winter wonderland North Pole inside this year instead of outside. Few reasons. Again, we decided to do it because of the weather, and also because we want to be able to enjoy it. We want to come in and sit back and enjoy all our hard work. The only time we get to enjoy the Christmas decorations when it's all outside is when we walk to the mailbox or we're driving away. Nobody sits outside staring at the Christmas decorations. And because they were being ruined by the weather, we decided to put them inside, because anybody that buys decorations knows that it's not very cheap. So we want to protect it for as long as we can. This room right here was the Grinch room last year. At the end of the video, I will attach the Grinch video so you guys can take a look how it looked like last year. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. This is our first room tour. We have other areas to show of how everything looks and how it's coming together. So if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. We would really appreciate it. Enjoy the video.